Hi everyone and welcome back to Fruitini's channel. Today I am going to be unboxing for you a cartoon LED diamond painting. Now I didn't even know these existed until about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I was sent the link for these paintings and I thought I'm gonna have to buy one of these and give it a go. So this is actually smaller than what I thought it was going to be, but it's called a cartoon LED lamp diamond painting. It does say here in the white print that's quite difficult to see on camera. Great to develop fine motor skills, increase concentration and focus, and help to build a sense of colour. Now there is an image of what it's supposed to look like. This picture here is literally being glued onto the box, so I think it is pretty much just a standard box that they've used. It says child's wisdom at fingertips, so I think it is geared towards children. I'm not sure, unless this is just something that they've used to package it in. I don't know. So let's have a look. So first of all, we're pulling out the drills. Okay, we've taken all the contents out of the box. So we have our standard drill kit. So we have our basic pink drill pen, we've got the green boat with no cutout and a small square of wax, and there's a couple of Ziploc bags there as well. Here is the actual thing that we diamond paint. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be taken out. Oh, hold on. Yes, I think it is. But, oh dear, I'm dropping bits everywhere. Maybe I should have read the instructions first of all. Okay, right. So it looks like there's little holes here. There's a hole in each little corner. I don't know if you can see that because my camera isn't really angled in the right place, but here, there, and there are little holes that we punch out, and it looks like that these are what make the light. So these are like the light bulbs in effect, and it looks like they go on onto here like so. So that goes on there like that. That goes through the hole, so it's actually affixed on the top, and then that's what creates the light, I think. According to the diagram, that is exactly what is supposed to happen. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in this piece of plastic, and there's a hole on the back there, so you can actually put it up on your wall if you wanted to, and there's a little stand there so you can actually stand it up instead, which is probably what I will do. I'd stand it up that way. Here we got the on and off switch, and then here we've got a little space here for us to put 2 AA batteries in. So here is the actual thing that we diamond paint. It has got a plastic sheet on it, like a standard diamond painting would have, and it is very sticky. I don't know if you can see up close here because I haven't got my autofocus on, but the symbols do look very clear. And if we have a quick look at the drills, ooh, I like these. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay, whoa, I'm looking forward to doing this. This looks super cool. Okay, so here are all the drills. This is the first one, like some lilac, little teardrop shaped special drills. We have some larger blue little teardrop shaped drills or special diamonds. We have these in a different, like an orangey colour, like a burnt orange. We have some more pinks, some greeny blue, like turquoise. Oh, look at that, purple, very pretty. More blue, obviously very smaller ones, very small ones. We have round purple ones. You got your standard size round drills, which are like green kind of glass effect. We have some blue, and then finally we have some gold. And then here we have some very glittery blue ones, which I think are placed there. I think those are number 11. Yeah, so these all go on the number 11. There. So every other one is where these go. That is superb. It is just like so simple, yet it looks really cool. And I think this will look absolutely amazing when it's all done and it's switched on and you've got your lights off and all you can see is like this just sparkling. I think it's going to look fantastic. So I'm really looking forward to doing this. Really, I am. I know I say that about everything that I unbox, but seriously, this is like really pretty, and I think I might make this my next little project. Because after I finish Tinkerbell, I'm gonna do something a little bit more less taxing on the brain, shall we say, because I am losing the will slightly with Tinkerbell now, but that's for another day. That's a story for another day. So yeah, I think I might do like a couple of partials and perhaps this one before I start on my next project, because this is going to look superb on my desk. So I hope you've liked this unboxing. I will put a link to this in the description box. So if you please, oh my God, why can't I speak? So if you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I shall see you all in my next video. Take care guys, and I'll see you soon.